In this Argos Support video, we will show you how to clean the filters on a Bosch cordless vacuum cleaner. Firstly, ensure that the power is disconnected before cleaning. For maximum efficiency, we recommend cleaning the filters within the dust container every time the dust container is emptied. Additionally, the exhaust filter every 3 months. To clean the filters in the dust container, press the release button and lift the container out. Next, lift out the cyclone from the dust container. Then, remove the dust pre-motor filter and shake off the dust. Every 3 months, rinse the filter and dry thoroughly before using the vacuum. Turn the filter head clockwise to disassemble the cyclone filter. Wash with running water and ensure it is dry before next use. To clean the dust container, tap against a bin. Then, rinse with water and ensure it's fully dry before refitting. Using a damp or wet filter will reduce suction and damage the motor. Reassemble the cyclone filter and rotate the outer section until it is in the padlock position. Slot the pre-motor filter back into position. Next, place the cyclone into the dust container. Ensure that it is correctly fitted before slotting the dust container onto the vacuum body. To clean or replace the post-motor filter, rotate the cover anti-clockwise and lift it away. Remove the filter and rinse with water. Dry the filter thoroughly before refitting. Finally, refit the cover and rotate clockwise to lock it in place. Your Bosch vacuum is now ready to use.